Dear participants, welcome to the PCP MOOC. This video will help you in exploring various components of this course, and you will be able to navigate the course easily on Canvas platform. When you log in by using your registered email ID and password, your dashboard will be in front of you, where you can see the course or courses in which you have enrolled. When you will click on your course, the home page of the course will be in front of you. Here you can see the recent announcements made by the course instructors. Let us first explore course menu. On the left side, you can see various links like announcements, modules, pages, discussions, quizzes, etc. When you click on the announcement, all announcements made by the instructor will open. You can click on any announcement to read the message communicated by your instructors to you. When you will click on modules, you can see all the unlocked modules. Like if you click on the first page, that is an overview of PCP MOOC home module, you will get the brief overview of the course. Click on the next button to go to the next page. You can go to the modules by clicking on the links given on the page, or you can click on the next button to move to the next page. This is the discussion regarding general queries about the course. There is a Telegram channel link given. You all are expected to download Telegram in your mobile, create your account and join this channel. This channel will help you to get updated regarding various developments in the course. When you will click next, you will come on the welcome module of the course. You can also go directly on this module by clicking on the modules link and then clicking on welcome to PCP MOOC. This module has been designed to introduce various prerequisites for the course as well as different operational dimensions. On this welcome page, a course introductory video is there along with the course objectives, target participants and the prerequisites. When you will click on the next, the page will display the links for pre-course survey and pre-test. Please note that completion of pre-course survey and pre-test is the essential conditions for exploring the modules of the course. Please note that the links for pre-course survey and pre-test will remain open only up to July 15th. The participants who will not complete these steps will be removed from the list of the participants and will not be able to explore upcoming modules. After completion of the pre-course survey and pre-test, please move to the next page where different activities have been discussed which you need to complete to earn the certificate. When you will click on the next button, the page will explain about the discussion forum. The next page of the welcome module will show the details of your course instructors in this course. At the bottom of the page, there is a box informing about the welcome forum where you need to introduce yourself. When you will click on the next button, welcome forum will appear. You need to click on the reply button to write about yourself and then click on the post reply. You can also explore the posts of your fellow participants and also comment on those posts. Now you are ready to explore the course module for week 1. Similarly, you can explore various pages of the weekly modules where you can see the module introduction, module objectives, and activities to be completed while exploring the module. For attempting the quiz, you can click on Quizzes link where all the published quizzes will appear. Before attempting the quiz, please go through the instructions carefully. You can see your grades by clicking on Grades link, where you can see your scores in different quizzes. If you have any query, please post your queries in the discussion of General Queries. I hope this video will help you to navigate the course smoothly. Happy learning!